Welcome to All Things Microsoft 365. This is Excel Unit 1, Lesson 1, Part A. Today we're going to be looking at CSV versus XLSX. What are these file types and when should you use them? Let's start with clicking on File, click Save As, and click this drop down. And you can see that Microsoft has a lot of different file types to offer. I find the most common are CSV or Excel Workbook. So what is a CSV? A CSV is a comma separated value where the data is delimited by a comma or separated by a comma. This is ideal if you just want to send the data in that file and you do not want to format the data in any kind of way. If you do want to format the data, do any type of filtering or any type of tables, you want to use an Excel workbook, which is an XLSX file type. This stands for Extensions to the Office Open XML Spreadsheet. You should use XLSX or an Excel workbook for any Excel daily use, especially if you want to include your formatting when you send or receive that file type. So what are the differences when you're using it? Right now, what I have open is a CSV, and you'll notice that it looks and feels like an Excel workbook. However, there are a few differences. I'm going to go to this tab over here, and I have a few data points from a few companies and their stock 52-week low and 52-week high. You'll notice I can do all Excel capabilities in the CSV. I can create a table by doing Control-T. I can create conditional formatting for my 52-week high. I'm just going to set it at $100. However, when I save this CSV, this formatting will disappear. So if I click File, Save, and close this out and reopen it, this formatting will go away. I'm going to reopen the file. And you'll see here I've lost my formatting. And notice here I've also lost one of my tabs. That's because CSV is only going to use one tab at a time because you're just sending the raw data. Now, what happens if I'm working in a CSV and I want to save that formatting? Well, let's check it out. If I click Highlight, Control-T to create a table, I'm going to do the same conditional formatting, $100. Now I click File, Save As, and now I can choose the file type Excel Workbook or the XLSX and click Save. And now I will continue to have this formatting. That concludes our lesson for today comparing CSV to XLSX. Please comment below if you have any questions.